What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today is Matchbox time, and I mentioned it in many videos this year. 2025 is definitely not the best year for Hot Wheels, but it's an extremely good year for Matchbox. And the best thing is, it seems like that we here in Europe, or especially in Germany, get the new cases pretty early. So what you see here is part of D and E case, or mix 4 and 5 of 2025. There are some models missing, like the turquoise Porsche 911 Rally and the yellow EV bus. I'm not really sure why I couldn't find them. But anyways, we have some really cool models to take a look at, and we get started with a new casting, and many Europeans are excited for this one. This is the 1970 Citroen 2CV, or as it is in Germany called, or its nickname is the Ente, which means the duck. Let's crack this thing open and let's take a look at this thing on the turntable. I have to say, this is not my era of cars, and I'm not a huge fan of the Volkswagen Beetle and yeah, this thing here, but I think it's a pretty good casting, and it's a really cool color. I think not many cars do really look good in yellow, but I think on this thing its color is really matching. As you can see, we get some pretty crisp details on the back. A license plate saying 2CV, and so on and so forth, and some taillights, some really crisp details on the front. A chrome base, so we get a chrome bumper on the front and on the back. I think also the wheel choice is really good. So yeah, this is in my opinion a really nice new casting. Once again, not my era of cars, but yeah, pretty nicely done. So let's put this guy into the parking lot, and we go on with the next new casting. So this is a generic casting, it's not licensed, and yeah, as you can see, it's a boat or a small yacht, I would say. The Coast to Coast. Nice car art. I think this is yeah, pretty cool. Of course, as you can see, the top part is plastic. This bottom part here in black is metal, and you get these small wheels. Normally these things don't roll very well, and yeah, so this one doesn't roll very well, but I mean it's a boat, and it looks really cool. Yeah, nice new casting in my opinion. I guess not everyone will like this one, but I think yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's go on with another Tesla Model 3. I think this is only the second color we see for this one. And so if you are a Tesla fan, you know that this is the version before the facelift. The new Tesla Model 3 looks a little bit different, but anyways, this thing here comes in this, I would call it candy apple red, and as always, or let's say often when cars get this color, take a close look, this is pretty uneven. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe the color isn't mixed right before they put it on the car. Well, yeah, We got some pretty crisp details on the front, and on the back, Tesla license plate, no more, zero emission. Once again, very, very crisp details, very nice. I think they could do a little bit better on the paint job, but yeah, the rest, really nice. Look at the Tesla logo and the crisp headlights. Very nice. By the way, this is the other version. I think we've only seen it in white so far, and now we do have a candy apple red version. I don't know what the name from Tesla is for this color. Anyways, let's go on with this one here, the Ford Police Interceptor utility in a new deco. Just to say, San Diego Police. I mean, yeah, I really like these police cars. I mean, this deco definitely isn't too spectacular. As you can see, we don't get any details on the back. Nothing on the front, just a push bar. And yeah, the deco on the side is also very minimal, and we only get these yeah, tail lights that are here with the side printing done. Yeah, I like this casting, but this is yeah, very, very plain version, I have to say. Next one up is a new color for the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. So this is Alfa's SUV. The first version was this one here in kind of a metallic green. Pretty nice in my opinion. Definitely the green version is the better version in my opinion. Into the parking lot it goes. As we take a look at the Citroen EC4 now in, what's it, orange, metallic orange. So if you're not familiar with this car, I think it's a pretty cheap electric car with, yeah, let's say some unusual design, which is kind of typical for Citroen. We've seen this one in light metallic blue, and as you can see, the roof is completely made out of plastic. I guess it's cost saving measures, which is a little bit unfortunate, and that's something we see on many new models from Matchbox. Anyways, let's put this guy into the parking lot. And our next one is the Scania P360 fire truck. I think this is an older casting. I don't have too many versions of this one. This one is from 2017, but if you take a close look, you will see that this is a German fire truck. It's saying Feuerwehr. I only have one other version of this casting, and it's this one here, which seems to be from our neighbor France. So yeah, this it also has an interior, and this thing feels pretty heavy, by the way. Put this to the side. As we take a look at a new version for the road roller. Not an expert for construction vehicles, but I do like them in some kind of way. I don't think that I have any other model in this deco. I'm not really sure if this is new, but it looks pretty cool in my opinion. This casting is from 2021. Here is another version. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let's put it in the parking lot as we take a look at a new color for the Radical SR3 what is it called? XXR. I think this is also a new casting for this year, or maybe last year. What is the base here? Nah, it's from last year. So yeah, I guess this is kind of a race car for hill climbing or something. This is the version we saw last year. Pretty cool with the painted roll cage. Some really nice versions. The wing is made of plastic and it's also saying Radical. Nice. Let's go on with another German car. New color for the Porsche Macan S. So basically, I think this is new for 2025. The first version, I think, came out in, let's take a look at the base, with 2022. So the thing is, the first version was a chase car and you're basically unable to find that, or you have to pay a lot of money on eBay. So the, let's say, mainline versions are this orange one, which was the first one, and now this guy here in blue. Pretty cool, crisp details. I really like the colors. They look really good. Also with these gun metal gray 5 spokes, right wheel choice. Very nice. Then we take a look at the Morgan Plus 4 in blue. I didn't or wasn't able to find the first version. I don't know why, but maybe they skipped the case. That happens sometimes here. Once again, some crisp details on the back saying Morgan on the license plate. It's nice tan interior. I mean, the steering wheel looks, yeah, that's really good. But once again, look at the front. Such crisp details. Very, very nice. Nice windshield. And we have only 2 models left. The 1992 Mazda Autosam AZ1, which is kind of a K sports car, pretty weird looking, but I really, really like this one. I mean, once again, we get this plastic roof, but if you take a close look, we get kind of lensed headlights. That's something I really like. And yeah, details on the side. There's the indicator on the back, which is also pretty cool. And yeah, these headlights, which are part of the interior piece. These are the previous versions in red and blue. I'm still waiting for a white one. I don't know if there was a real car in white, but I think, yeah, these 3 look really, really cool next to each other. Nice color combination. A white one would be cool. So yeah. And yeah, the last one is a highlight for me. This is the 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country in yeah, a really nice deco in my opinion. I like this blue, which is I think kind of a turquoise shade to it. But yeah, I think the Volkswagen Golf Country is a cool car. Definitely. And yeah, I really like this deco, and we've seen some decos that are not similar, but they come pretty close, like this one here, which is also pretty cool. And we've also seen this guy here. Yeah, really nice. I think this year is a really cool year for Matchbox. So yeah, as always, oops, let's take a look at the models from today. And as always, I'm picking a favorite, I guess. Many Germans would pick this one here, because this thing is kind of a legend. But once again, I'm not a huge fan of that. My personal highlight is this one. I really like this deco. I think it's looking really cool. I also like this huge push bar on the front, the spare tire on the back. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.